Hey, my name is Back, and I keep ants. There are two ways to go out and look for ants. First one is the most popular one, where you just walk around, find a sidewalk, find some pavement, go out after a nice thunderstorm, maybe a time that you know the ants are flying around, and go see if you can find any queens, scurrying around the ground. See if you can find anything going around. Or maybe you know exactly when a flight is happening. You happen upon a flight, and you just catch queen ants as they're being mated. But there's also a second way to catch ants. This one's my favorite. This one is where I just walk around the woods, flip some rocks, flip some logs, and see if I can find anything underneath, Perhaps there's a queen underneath in her founding chamber already. Or maybe there's a small colony, a couple workers long, just some eggs. Either way, this is my favorite way to catch queens. When you go anting, it's mostly gonna be a lot of this. A lot of salamanders, a lot of worms, a lot of slugs. When you go anting, you don't go out expecting to find a queen. You go out hoping to find a queen. And if you go out and you just have your mindset on that queen, you're not gonna have a lot of fun. You're just gonna get rejected. You're gonna get dejected. You're gonna get down. You gotta go and you just gotta absorb the nature that you're around. You gotta enjoy being out here. You aren't out here for the ants. You're out here for everything. You're out here to see all the frogs. You're out here to see all the salamanders. Of course, you're out here to see the ants, but if you just keep that one track in your mind that you're going to find an ant queen today, that you're going to find one tomorrow, and if you don't, then you're just going to give up. But that just doesn't work around here. You gotta get really lucky if you just walk upon an ant flight. There's people out there, they get like 80 Campopen in a night. They get 100 Lasius ants flying around. They get all these Solenopsis molesta. And maybe you just aren't there at the right time, right place, maybe you're out of town. And you just gotta go out and you just gotta look. Because you can find ants that are just starting out. You can find queens that are in their chambers already in the ground. You aren't always going to find ants just flying around. You aren't just going to walk on the ground and just see one crawling about, Sometimes you just got to go out there and look. Let's look at that. Oh, let's see if I can get out the sun. There's some guys right in there. See them? Yeah. Looks like they're feeding against her. Oh, you see the queen right there? Oh, where is she? See her? See her right there? Isn't there the queen? She just went under all those stuff. Yeah, there's a queen. You can see all their pupae they have. Yeah, it's a pretty nice colony. And that was just under this little brick here. It kind of looks big in the picture, but it really is. It's just a normal sized brick. So you just gotta enjoy being out in nature. You don't have to catch everything you find. I've got 5 Aphaenogaster colonies. Obviously, this one would be really easy to capture, but I'm just gonna watch them. I'm just gonna let them be. Because if you catch everything you find, you lose a part of nature. You get so ingrained in catching these things that you don't realize that nature's where they're supposed to be. I already had a couple of Aphaenogaster colonies over there, and that's why I didn't grab them. I haven't been grabbing them for a while. Because to me, it's just more, I already have a couple, I've given away a couple. I'd much rather just watch them in their natural habitat instead of capturing them at this point. I feel like it's much more fulfilling. And I'm not saying if you don't have any ants at all, of course. I'd go catch those in a heartbeat. Because that's really exciting. It always is exciting grabbing ants. But, capturing ants shouldn't always be your first priority, Experiencing ants should be a priority. And sometimes are good times to catch ants, sometimes are good times to watch ants, and sometimes are good times just to be out and experience nature, because you aren't always going to find ants. So, I don't know, that's my 2 cents on the subject. Oh, look what I found. Like I said, sandwiched in between 2 rocks. It's a whole bunch of Aphaenogaster, and a whole bunch of elates. I've been seeing a bunch of males around, but it looks like, see those little ones are males, but there's a big one around here that I think was a female. There's a good sign that they'll be flying soon here. Let's look under there. There you go. See the big one? There, right there, the big one. Next to all those little ones. There's a female. Oh, they're crawling over my fingers now. But yeah, like I said, you know, there's just a little thing. Oh boy, they're crawling all over my hands. Gotta set them down. Ah. Wow, yeah, that was pretty exciting. Found some more Phaenogaster. And now you know why I call my house a Phaenogaster Haven. Because that's just all there is. Again, smashed in between two rocks. As they all are. Don't see a queen in there though. This one's probably under this rock. Ever need a breed boost? I keep all the pupae on the outside. A lot of young larvae there too. Wait, really. A lot of young larvae. Speaking of flying ants, I found a lot more. These seem to be some orange species of Lasius. I'm not really sure off the top of my head. Yeah, obviously they have fillets. Just look at that. Look at all of them. Never kept any of these because they're pretty much subterranean ants. Oh, well, it seems like there's a second. This is a different colony over here. That's an Phaenogaster colony. There's a Phaenogaster queen right there. So yeah, so you can see there's right there is all the Lasius, and then there's the Phaenogaster colony that's right there. Oh my, I was not expecting that. It's kind of cool. Huh. I'm not sure where the queen went. Oh, she's up here. Again, I'm not going to grab her because I don't need any more Phaenogaster, but that's kind of cool. I hope I don't disrupt some sort of delicate balance of this. Oh, they're probably going to start killing each other now. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Didn't mean to. Oh boy. Oh, that was interesting.